Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this resource to you. If you are looking to find some alternatives to Microsoft Word, look no further. I have 5 different resources that are free that are very similar to Microsoft Word. The first one that I want to share with you is Google Docs, and I have to say this one is my favorite to use. It is web-based and you can access Google Docs from your browser. You do need to have a Gmail account to log into, and once you do that, you're in the G Suite. There are tons of other resources available, but Google Docs, in my opinion, is the most comparable to Microsoft Word to be able to have all of the things that you need to create documents. When you do create a document with Google Docs, it is stored online in the cloud under your Google account. And one nice thing about that is you can access this document from any device as long as you're connected to the internet. And it makes it very nice to be able to share those types of documents with other people. So let me click on Google Docs here. And this just gives you an overview of what they look like. You go here and you'll start a blank document, or there are a lot of template galleries involved here for different types of documents to start. So it's very nice to use if you're not sure where to start, if you have a certain thing to do. The template gallery is a great place to start for your document. So when you open a blank document, this is what it looks like. You have just the document, and then you have the toolbar across here, and then a lot of different things to do with the document across that. So that is what Google Docs looks like. And then the next one is WordPad, and WordPad is a built-in word processor that should be on your computer if you have a Windows computer. And it's more of a basic text editing app, but they have added more to it than in the past. And you can create and edit files with different fonts, colors, and pictures just like you can in a Word document. So if one thing that you can do is you go to your search bar on your computer, and if you were to type in WordPad, you'll see it comes up, and it's kind of like an app here, and then you just click that to open it. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it's a basic text typing document. And then you have all of the different types of fonts, colors, and things. So if you're really just looking for something to type up a document to save information on your computer or share with people, WordPad is great, and it's free, and it's already a part of your computer. And you can add pictures and drawings and other things in it right along with whatever you have in the document, and then you can just save it right to your computer. So there's no need to access the internet. This is already on your computer. So that is WordPad. The next one is Microsoft Office Online. They do have a version that is a web-based program, and it's free and it's online. You do have to have a Microsoft account to be able to use it, but this will allow you to use all of these things within the Microsoft Office Online, and you can access these documents when you save them on OverDrive, which is the cloud version of Microsoft Office, where you can share and save files. And then it allows you also to collaborate with other people, but you don't have to purchase the Microsoft Office suite to download your computer. You will be doing all of this online and through an internet connection. It offers the same tools and features as Microsoft Office, but like I said, you have to have internet to be able to use this. So this is what it looks like. When you click it, you'll come to this screen, and then this is where you'll have to sign up for your account and be able to access this information online. The next one that I want to share with you is LibreOffice. It is a free open source software, and you will need to download this to your computer to be able to use it. It's very comparable to Word. It has a lot of tools for creating and even managing a database. So this is what the page will look like when you open it up, but here is the link to LibreOffice. When you go to LibreOffice, This is what it looks like. And here is the download button right on the main screen that you can click to download to have this software put on your computer to be able to use this free document creator. And it gives you a lot of information here about it. If you just scroll down, you can read information about OpenOffice, and it is free to you to use, but you just have to download it to your computer so that you would have it on there. And then the last one I want to talk about is OpenOffice, and it's also very similar to LibreOffice. You do have to download and install it on your computer. It is a free open source software suite, and you can read files from other types of software packages with it. So it's very compatible with that. And this is what the toolbar looks like. As you can see, it's very similar to most word processing toolbars. So OpenOffice, here's the link to this, and this is what the website looks like when you get to it. You have information about it, and you can learn more about it. You can download it, and then you even have help buttons and stuff like that. So if you click you want to download it, this is what the page looks like, and you can determine by the type of computer that you have here, download, and that kind of information. So this is what OpenOffice looks like. So I hope that I gave you an overview of some different types of word processing software and online resources that you could use if you don't want to pay the money to purchase Microsoft Office Suite. These are some great alternatives to be able to help you do some word processing on your device for free. Check out my other videos on Salem, Ohio Public Library for technology resources.